Good morning, grade 1. How are you? Are you ready to get started today? Yes, let's start. Do you remember the doubles? Yes, 1 plus 1 equal 2 is double. Very good. Give me another examples. 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 7 plus 7. All of these equations we call it doubles. Keep it in your mind because we will use doubles in our lesson today. Our lesson today is even and odd numbers. All the numbers in the world can be divided into two groups. Even numbers, repeat with me, even, and odd numbers, repeat, odd. Now, what is the even numbers and what is the odd numbers? If I have these numbers from 1 to 20, and I want to know if these numbers are even or odd. Let's start number 1. How can I know if number 1 is even or odd? Now, if I can put number 1 into two equal groups, then number 1 is even. If I have two groups here, if I can't put it into two equal groups, then the number is odd. So look at number 1 here. I have only one cube and I put it into groups. Can I put it into two equal groups? No, because I have here only 1, but here I have 0. Is 0 equal to 1? Of course is no. So 1 is odd. What about 2? Number 2. If I have, if I have two groups, can I put two cubes into two equal groups? Let us check that. If I have this cube 1 and 2, can I put them into two equal groups? Yes, I can. I have here 1 cube and here I have also 1. This is double equation, which is equal to. So 2 is even because I can divide it into two equal groups. So if I can divide the number into two equal groups like this, then the number is even number, like number 2. Let us circle it. If the number is even, then I will circle it. Now, what about 3 cubes? If I have 3 cubes, can I put them into two equal groups? 1, 1. Here, I have 3 cubes. Can I put them into two equal groups? This is the first group. This is the second one. They are equal? No. So number 3 is odd number. I will not circle it here in this table. What about number 4? I have here 3. Now 4. I have 4 cubes. Now, can I put these 4 cubes into two equal groups? Of course, yes. Here I have 2 cubes in the first group and here I have 2 cubes in the second group. So 4 is odd, is even. Why? Because I can put it into two equal groups. So I will circle it. Move to number 5. If I have here 5 numbers, 5 cubes. I have here 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, can I put these 5 cubes into two equal groups? No, I have here 3, but I have here only 2. So, 5 is odd because I can't put it into two equal groups. I will not circle it. I will circle only what? Even numbers. Now, if I have 6 cubes, here we have 5. Now, I want to add this. I have 6 cubes. Can I put them into two equal groups? As you see, yes, I can. Each group has 3 cubes. So I have here 3. But I have here what? Also 3. Very good. So it's a double equation here. 3 plus 3 equal 6. So I will circle number 6 because 6 is even number. Why? Because I can divide it into two equal groups. If you continue, you will find that 8 is even number. Also 10 is even number. So keep it in your mind and repeat with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0, the ones in 10 here, are even numbers. Even numbers. Keep it in your mind. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. All of these numbers are even. Now, what about two digits number like 12? Look at the 12 here. What's the ones digit? It's 2. And I know that 2 is even. So 12 also is even number because the ones is 2. 14. What's the ones digit here? 1 or 4? 4. And I know that 4 is even number. So 14 also is even number. 16 also is even number. 18 also even number. Here the ones in 20 is 0 like 10. And we said that 0 is even number. So keep it in your mind. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. All of these numbers are even numbers. Let us move to the exercise. 11. Look at the numbers in these cards and decide they are even or odd. 11. As you see, can you put it 11 cubes? Put 11 cubes into two equal groups? Let us check that. This is the first group. This is the second. They are equal. No, very good. I have here 6 cubes, but I have here what? 5. If you count them, you will find that. So it's odd because they are not equal. Now, what's the equation here? Write it. 6. How many cubes I have in the first cube? 6. How many cubes I have in the second group? 5. What's the answer? The answer will be the number in the card. Answer is 11. Question number 3, try it yourself. Question number 4. What's the number in the card? 18. Is 18 odd or even number? Very good, even number. Why? Because the ones here is even number 8, and I know that 8 is even number. So circle it. Now, what's the equation here? Write it. Count the cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So here also we have 9. What's the equation? The number of cubes in each group, which is equal 18. So 18 is even number because I can divide it into 2 equal groups. What about 10? Also even, very good. Why? Because the ones is 0 and 0 is even number, and I can divide it into 2 equal groups. How many cubes I have in each group? If you count them, you will find it 5. Write the equation. I have here 5, and here in the second group I have also 5. What's the answer? 10. Now, 13. It's 2-digit number. So look at the ones digit. It's even or odd. 3 is what? Odd number. So 13 is odd number. Now, to write the equation, draw 13 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now put it into two groups, and this is 2 groups. Now, how many cubes I have in the first group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will write here 6. How many cubes I have in the second group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's the answer? The answer is 13. Very good. The number in the card. Here is 7. Here is 13. Now, question number 7, try it yourself. What about question number 8, 6? It's even or odd? I know it is even. Why? 1, 2. I can put it into 2 equal groups. Here I have 2 groups. Each group has 3 cubes. So what's the equation will be? 3 plus 3, which is equal 6. It's even or not? Yes, it's even. So, dear students, keep it in your mind. If the ones digit is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then the number will be what? Even. If it's not, then the number is odd. This is our lesson today. Thank you, dear students.